Meaning of diffidently.
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 Diffidently. The word diffidently is an adverb that describes behavior or actions that display a lack of confidence or self-assurance. It is often used to describe someone who is hesitant, shy, or insecure. Such behavior can manifest as avoiding eye contact, speaking softly, or hesitating before making a decision. In short, to act diffidently is to display a lack of confidence or self-assuredness. This kind of behavior can be detrimental to personal and professional growth, as it may prevent individuals from taking risks or pursuing opportunities that could lead to success.